what's really going on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Litecoin, price action, interacting with some new key levels here, some changes made to the Litecoin chart. We have key levels coming from parameters met by different time frames here. We have my previous $226 resistance level, my immediate short-term target for Litecoin, now becoming $223 per Litecoin, so a minor change there. We have my previous support level coming from $176 all the way up to $177. So some minor changes made to the key support and resistance for us in the immediate short term here. I've also added this additional $202 key level to consider for us moving forward, as we can see, and has been giving us a hard time. We're looking for daily candles opening and closing above it to confirm it as support, currently giving us resistance. At the moment, we have price action in the middle of some sideways here. We're looking at also some different robo advisors present currently based under these conditions and the current robo advisors. We do have all three of our chosen advisors bullish on price action and suggesting continued upside. We just have to be free from these key levels of resistance. We do have the most significant area of support coming from all the way down at $165 per Litecoin. That is going to be the most bullish area of support, and my new immediate short-term target for Litecoin, the most significant area of resistance, has now become $272. So I do believe that is going to be the next significant area of resistance that we will need to interact with moving forward. We do have key levels to consider all the way up to $366 before I believe we were able to see some euphoric gains interacting with perhaps a four-figure Litecoin. So I am bullish on the uptrend overall. However, we do need to interact with these key levels as we make our way to and through. If we look at the previous buy signals coming from this combination of robo advisors, we have a bullish area of accumulation suggested at the end of July near $140 per Litecoin. After accumulation, we experienced up to 65% in upside, and if you couldn't sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 24% in gains when this combination of robo advisors became bearish on the 10th of September, allowing you to capitalize on 24% in upside with EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. And so after these robo advisors became bearish, we did actually experience up to 19% in downside over the following couple weeks after those robo advisors became bearish on price action. So now, as we can see, a new bullish area of accumulation has presented itself here back at the beginning of October when this buy for and bull signal came into play. Two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish after that area of accumulation. We've seen up to 20% in upside. We've experienced a return to that level where the buy signals came from, and we're currently sitting on upward of 10% in gains at current levels. We're now just waiting for these key areas of support and resistance to be confirmed and conquered as we make our way upward. I do believe the uptrend is very much intact. Watch out for interactions with support. Currently too close to resistance in my opinion. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Now, Shiba Inu against USDT price action interacting with these key levels. We're now seeing some robo advisors in play. We looked at Shiba Inu a couple days ago when we had interaction with my key level here, 5004. We do have buy pressure coming off of that key level. We're looking for continued buy pressure present. Daily candles continuing to open and close above it does suggest it as support. Failure to hold it will bring us back into this range that we came from not too long ago. We do have support all the way down to 2365. That is going to be the key level of support waiting for us if we were to make our way downward here. We do have some sell signals present here at the moment. We do have the sell 2 and sell 4 currently suggesting perhaps some sideways or downside for Shiba Inu, suggesting the more bullish area of accumulation will present itself here for us. So we're looking for further confirmations of support in my opinion. When we look at when these buy signals came into play back in the 16th of September around the 857 level for Shiba Inu, we then experienced up to what appears to be 919% in gains. It's an easy 10x return on your investment after EngineeringRobo's buy signals on Shiba Inu. And if you didn't sell above, at, or around that swing high, EngineeringRobo has suggested you perhaps consider closing your position around current levels, because on the 3rd of November, we have two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bearish on price action, suggesting you capitalize on a 552% in gains using EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so you pick 3 of the many different robo advisors. Once 2 of your chosen 3 become bullish or bearish, you can use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And so at the moment, we are looking at 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bearish on Shiba Inu at current price levels. We're looking for the most bullish area of accumulation to present itself. Watch out for further interactions of support. Let me know down below what you're doing with Shiba Inu at current levels. SUPER against USDT, super coin. An update on price action where we left off. We were looking at this coin trading around 84 cents, I believe. We were looking at the buy for and moon signal, golden cross, bullish suggestions, suggesting continued upside and a bullish area of accumulation. We were looking for further support off of 79 cents, but as you can see, price action has plowed to and through my initial immediate short-term target for this coin, which is going to be 94 cents, a significant area of resistance, and once confirmed as support, as you can see, price action has reached my next area of significant resistance. We're now looking at confirmation of $1.58 as support moving forward. And so if you were to bought at my previous support line here at 94 cents to the current resistance, we're now waiting to confirm as support. You would have made 67% in gains over the following 6 days. If you bought after EngineeringRobo became bullish on price action, you would have seen up to 120% in upside, currently sitting on 99% in gains at current levels. Now waiting for further confirmations of support. With no sell signals present, we can anticipate continued upside. Once support has been solidified at $1.58, I'm looking for an interaction with $2.71. In my opinion, that is going to be the next key area of resistance. And so watch out for sell signals here. If we were to see some bearish robo advisors coming into play, we would anticipate further sideways and accumulation. However, at the moment, we're looking at bullish continued upside, watching out for interactions of support, waiting for interactions with resistance. And so let me know down below what you're doing with this coin currently now. CHZ against USDT, price action interacting with these key levels. We see buy signals coming back from all the way back in the 7th of October here. All 3 of our chosen robo advisors became bullish on the 7th of October after the buy 2 on the 5th. And so after that bullish area of accumulation presented itself, we had a phase of sideways. However, we did experience now up to 83% in upside after those bullish suggestions came into play. Currently sitting on 40% in gains at current levels with no sell signals present at the moment, which does suggest continued upside. We have a key area of support here to confirm. Daily candles opening and closing above 48 cents is going to give bullish confirmation of this area as a potential area of accumulation. And once we've confirmed it as support, I do believe we are making our way all the way up to 94 cents. I do believe that is going to be the kind of final area of significant resistance. We may have to see some confirmation of as support before we can see some continued upside. We're also watching out for 65 cents along the way. That is waiting to give us a hard time as well. We do experience a rejection off of it at the 30th of October here. Watch out for continued support found at 48 cents. Failure to hold that level could bring us down to 37 cents. We also have a key level to consider all the way down at 28 cents. The most bullish area of support is waiting for us all the way down at 25 cents. So those are going to be the key levels to consider. We're looking at bullish robo advisors, so we can anticipate continued upside. I'm always looking for support. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Now, looking at Ethereum, price action experiencing buy pressure off of a key level of suggested support. $4,370 per Ethereum is going to be a bullish area of support. It would appear as the buy pressure is very much present as we bounce off of that key level. Look out for further confirmation of it as support. Watch out for potential interaction with 41.92, the most bullish area of support waiting for us all the way down at 39.22. Do believe once support is found, we are set to plow to and through this multi-$1,000 range. Any sort of sideways or downside we do experience in the immediate short term will be very bullish for any sort of uptrend moving forward. Let me know down below what you're doing with Ethereum at current levels. Are you selling? Are you buying? Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently still sideways, awaiting support and a break of resistance. We're looking at significant buy pressure coming off of $60,000 per Bitcoin. As you can see, price action slipping into it ever so briefly before becoming bought up very quickly. We have an interaction with $58,800 per Bitcoin. That is going to be the most significant bullish area of support support, perhaps a final opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin below $60,000 may present itself. However, that is growing increasingly unlikely. Watching out for a break of resistance around $64,800 per Bitcoin. That is going to be just a key level of sell pressure awaiting to give us a hard time. We do have that sell 2 present. One of our chosen 3 Robo advisors is bearish on price action. We need 2 of them to confirm, bearish sideways or further interactions of support or a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself. At the moment, I do believe we are still bullish on continued upside with all of this momentum building through this very horizontal phase of accumulation. There's tons of buy pressure present at current levels for Bitcoin. It's very hard to be bearish. Let me know down below what you're doing with Bitcoin at current levels. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free. The link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next video, and tune in for the next one.